Hello, my art viewers. Happy Diwali, and this is artist Bhavna. So, from today, we are seeing the outline tutorial. So, you people are most awaiting for this tutorial, and today, on occasion of Diwali, I'm going to start this tutorial so you can enjoy this tutorial. So, there is no limit in this tutorial because I can show many outline. So it may be boy, girl, woman, men, so many things. So it may be objects, but this is completely outline tutorial. But I'll not leave just like outline, but I'll say few tips how to improve your outline shading also. So after applying those tips, your art will look really very good. So in this way, so you can draw directly a circle, but it is not complete circle. So don't ever draw directly a circle. So do a semicircle, then join the ears, and then join the lower part. So don't draw circle directly. So see the eye measurements. So it is clip art, so we don't see much, but practice from now only. So see the direction, see the outline, so both should look same accurately. So here clip art will not concentrate on things, but will concentrate only on outlines. So yeah, I hope you are celebrating very well. So again, happy Diwali, and do be safe and do be careful. So yeah, now it should be like really clip art. So don't make things so real. So just go with flow. Don't make the adjustments. We'll look in later. So just draw using 2B pencil or HB pencil or normal pencil like Apsara, Natraj, anything is fine, because here we are just doing outlines. So this girl is looking so pretty after drawing these earrings and flowers. So yeah, it is looking so beautiful. So I choose this clip art because it is really attractive, and I hope you people also will like after completing this art. So do let me know in the comment box if you have any suggestions, or if you have any ideas, or if you have any topic to cover. So I'll definitely do on it. So don't hesitate, please do comment below, just a comment. So yeah, and I know, and I personally know people who don't like to draw hands or legs. So they don't get proper hands and legs. But when you're drawing clip art, the advantage is here the hand should be natural. So you don't bother about the fingers and all, just natural hands, just draw it, just attach it. So here you can see how naturally I'm drawing. So I'm not bothering about fingers, just draw hands. So here the Diya came, and wow, it is looking good, right? So the beautiful small little girl with saree and Diya, she's looking perfectly all right. So, and here you don't forget to draw hair. So she's not bald, so she has pretty long hair. So do add this hair. Yeah, okay. Then now the actual thing, the legs. So she's sitting on ground, so that illusion you need to create. Just normal curves. So again I'm saying just attach it. So don't bother about the outlines. Simple process, don't make complicated. So here the I already said just legs. So you don't bother about the fingers. So when you went wrong, do use eraser. So I used now, I erased it and I drawed again. So there is no rule to, like, you should not use eraser. And I don't want to complicate things here. We need to draw rangoli, but there will be experts in doing rangoli, but as we are dealing clip art, so it should just look like clip art. So don't focus more on rangoli, because the girl is really simple, and the rangoli should not look professional, so it should just look like outline itself. Now it is time to see the adjustments. So to make it look more beautiful, do watch the complete process. So here comes the filling and all, shading, etc. So here in this way, whenever you're drawing eye, you should leave the white spot in center of the eye. So if your center of white spot is not visible, then you will miss the enjoyment of seeing it realistic eye. So now we are drawing clip art, but the vision should be in white color, so the white ball that should be visible. The eyelashes and all, make it dark and bright, and I want to add these dots to give the tribal effect. So after keeping these dots, the clip art will enhance a lot. So it is really optional. You can either stop there only without any highlighting. Better if you want to make it more beautiful, so you need to watch the complete video, and you need to definitely try this. So do try and send me. So just 10 minutes work, you will definitely enjoy, and the festive season and festive mood. So you need to try, give a try. And filling part, I'll skip it and I'll let you know where I filled it. And basically she's having jasmine flowers in her head, so to look more realistic and more attractive, so do add this bud effect. So three circles together, like three dots together, do add in this way outer to this outline, and fill in three dots here and there in this way, so it will look more natural. I'm just darkening the highlights, so outer line I'm doing. So just simple process, do follow the outline and make it dark. So here and there I'm filling it because it should give the real look, and the upper part of the earring I filled it completely, but lower one I'm giving 2 lines. So in this way, I hope you are enjoying the process, because adding one on one, it is looking really beautiful. So I loved this girl, so she's so cute. So maybe this is clip art, but yeah. So I don't want to skip this process, and I just increase the speed of the video. So yeah, you can see each and every process here also. I'm just going on the outline, I'm not doing any changes. So if you want to change something or other, you can make adjustments and you can do better than me. I'm just spending 10 minutes and I'm just giving basic idea of doing things. So if you are very good enough, yeah, you can do. And here also, hair I'm filling in completely. So just I'll skip the process, just filling. So just rub against, so the dark layer, how dark you apply, that bright it will look. So after filling, do add this hairy effect. So do draw lines in this way. So you can use, I'm using 10B pencil only, you can use normal pencil again. So I'm saying again, you can use normal pencil, or else you can purchase this Camlin set. So it is just 60 or 50, I don't remember, but you can purchase just 50. So if you love this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So do stay tuned. So tap the bell icon, don't forget, because you'll get all notifications. She's so cute, right? And yeah, happy Diwali once again. Stay safe.